My name is Rose. I'm 6 years old. I'm not a grown-up. I am a kid. This is my first movie ever, but not my last. I would like to dedicate this movie to my mom. My class went to San Francisco Bay and the Golden Gate Bridge. And when we went under the Golden Gate Bridge, we saw dolphins and lots of waves and tiny ones. It's fun to be in a ferry boat. You can get food there, drinks, and cookies. Also get chips. My mom and lots of friends from my school went on the trip with me. And I saw dolphins and waves and little waves and every kind of thing you would imagine. Sea lions and other boats and cleaner boats. My favorite part was when I saw Alcatraz Island, a prison. Alcatraz Island used to be a prison, but they closed it down because it was too much money or something. It was pretty cool to see it. Never saw it so close up. It was a beautiful day. My mom was there, Miss Alma was there, a bunch of my friends were there. Duncan, Judy, Christian, and all my other friends. It felt rocky when I was in the bridge. It was just felt like I ran away from something, which was a giant monster. I want to go back. I want to go back soon because you can see lots of animals which you haven't seen and drolled things which you never have seen. Thank you for watching my movie. See you again soon. The end. I hope you like this movie. Goodbye.